let me show you something. Love the license plates. Top Gal, the one and only. Guys, whenever time you see this warning message on your dashboard, please fix it, or else Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me comments in the section below, like, and don't forget to share this video. As you guys can see by the intro, my auxiliary battery malfunction warning message has came on the dashboard. So this means that this battery here has to be changed. This battery is a new battery. It's going to replace the factory battery that's in the car. I have noticed that 3 of my features inside the car has stopped working. The first feature is the blind spot monitoring. That stopped working. The second feature is the automatic door lock feature. When I'm driving, the lock automatically closes. That stopped working. And I've noticed that the sensors around the car, the warning light, and also the warning noise that it makes whenever time you're close to an object, that stopped working too as well. So this battery is a direct replacement for the auxiliary battery. This battery is called AC Delco. The dimensions are the same, and this battery I think is a little bit more powerful than the factory battery. I picked up this battery at my local auto store for $100 with discount. So I think the Mercedes battery costs a little bit over $200 for that battery, and I wasn't going to spend $200. It's not that serious. It's just a little battery, and this battery is pretty small too as well. So $100 is good for this battery. All right guys, so I'm going to leave the information about this battery in the description box below. So if you're having this issue with your Mercedes-Benz, you can go ahead and pick up this battery. This is a W166 Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG. I think all the batteries for all the cars are different, but this is the battery for my make and model Mercedes-Benz. I'm gonna go to my friend right now, Omar. He's waiting for me to come. He's gonna help me locate the battery somewhere in the car, and we're gonna go ahead and get it replaced. All right, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm in the shop with Omar. So we have located the battery. So there's a couple of screws that you gotta remove. You gotta remove a screw right here to get this panel off. And then you gotta remove this mesh right here. So you gotta use a T30X to remove this T30 bolt right here. Okay, so the panel has been removed. Now you need a, what socket is that? A 10mm socket to remove this covering that holds the battery in place. And there are 3 of them. I think there might be something that's holding on this panel. This whole thing gotta come out. So I ran into a little issue. The issue is not pertaining to the car, but most so pertaining to the shop. The boss for the store, he was watching on the camera because no employees are allowed inside the bay. So I guess they called the shop and told the shop that I have to come out the bay. So it's a bummer. I know I wanted to show you the installation, but I got a little bit of the installation process. I mean, it's very simple. It took like 5 minutes to change out the battery. I showed you guys where the battery is located. So it's just a few bolts and torque screws you got to remove, and the battery is right there, right by the compressor. I'm sorry I couldn't get to show you the full video. At least, like I said, at least you guys know where the battery is located, so it will be easy to find the battery. All right, and that was the most important thing, because I have not seen any video on YouTube to show where the battery inside the ML63 is. So yeah, but anyways, everything is working. So let me start the car and show you that the warning message has gone away. Okay guys, as you see, the warning message is gone. There's no more message on the dashboard. The blind spot monitoring are working properly. Let me check the light up here and see if it's gonna come on, the reverse light. There's a car behind me, so I'm gonna put the car in reverse. Okay, the car's in reverse. So I'm gonna see if the light is gonna come on. You hear the sound? The sound is working now. Okay, so that's good. See, the light in the back is working. And automatically the light in the front is gonna work too as well. So I don't need to drive forward and to show you that too as well. So basically that's it. So thank you so much for tuning in to my short little video how to replace the auxiliary battery in any ML63. I will leave the information for the battery in the description box below, so you can go to your auto store and pick up that battery. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for the love. I've noticed that I'm not receiving a lot of views on the ML63. I don't know if because I changed from a BMW to an AMG, a Mercedes. You guys are not watching my videos. Please continue to support me. I love you guys. All right, so thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. FYI guys, no form of resetting that needs to be done. It's a simple plug and play, so you don't have to reset any module or hook up any computer or do any reprogramming whatsoever.